I'm gonna need coffee for this. It's bitter. Okay, so we're doing a McMuffin challenge. I'm gonna get this done by 6 a.m. so that I can open up my drive-thru window before McDingles. Game on, Mickey. Wait, that's not right. What's the McDonald's guy's name? Whatever, it'll come to me. First, we're gonna put 400 milliliters of hot, but actually lukewarm milk, which should have gone into my latte, but is instead going into a mixing bowl along with 3 tablespoons of sugar and a package of instant yeast. That's gonna bloom for 10 or 15 minutes until it's nice and foamy. Like that one party I went to in college, I swallowed a lot of soap. While that's going on, let's get all the single egg and whisk it until it puts its hands up. Whoa, Queen Bee style. That's a reasonable reference, I think, but I don't know enough about Cowboy Carter to confidently throw down with that. And no, I'm not up to date on Sabrina Carpenter, I'm sorry. Now let's go ahead and add that egg to the liquid, give it a little spin, that's a neat trick. Pew pew, Star Wars noises, woo! Yes, I am kind of punchy tired, aren't I, Mr. Egg? No, I won't apologize. It's too late. One Direction. No, One Republic. What was I doing? Now we're gonna add 540 grams of flour wheels, thus definitively proving that the vast majority of my reference game comes solidly from the 90s and early noughties, which is the only way I'm going to refer to the decade prior to 2010. Mix this biz together before adding 3 tablespoons of melted butter and a pinch of salt, cause this channel has one salty booty, okay? Like, comment, and subscribe if you think I should be more or less normal, or exactly the same. Keep mixing, it's gonna feel a little loose, and I actually am gonna add a little bit more flour, but once you're there, you're gonna be looking for it to look sticky like this. It is gonna look wrong, but it's right apparently, I guess. I don't know. Let's get that covered and let it proof for 1 hour or until double in size. I'm awake. Did you fall asleep, chat? Not me too. Nope. Okay, time now to scoop these things into approximately the same size, but if you've seen this channel, you know how I struggle with that. I'm using a 1/4 cup as a rough measure, but pause, because this was still, to be honest, way too much. Some of these got really big, and I was not prepared for the inner city pressure. Also, I'm dropping these down onto a bed of cornmeal, and before they're done, we're adding another layer on top, which is mostly gonna help us keep these from sticking, but if you like the flavor of cornmeal, then hey, that's a win-win, right? Okay, these are good to go and ready to chill out until they get the big poof. Goodbye, my children, I accept and I love you all. I'm panicking at this disco because McMuffins is revving up those fryers, popping those hash browns in the microwave, and I'm running out of time if I'm gonna beat them to the breakfast rush. Game time, people. Also game faces. We're gonna get this griddle on, not for the McGriddle, which is a different video, which I have not made. Maybe when we do homemade sausages or something? I don't know. But for now, we're kicking the griddle onto 375. Once it's preheated, we're dropping these kids off at the pool. Time check. 15 minutes? Okay. Well, this is going to be literally as close as possible. 7-ish minutes on each side, and no worries. This is what we trained for, right, chat? Chat? What do you mean this isn't live streamed? Okay, let's get some of these guys flipped. Yeah, this is gonna work. Time to lay some fat bacon down. That breakfast rush is on its way, chat. We're getting right down to the wire. We can do it. Come on, let's go. Chat, you gotta let me cook. Wow, I am so relatable to literally every generation out there. Truly, I am dishing out the greatest hits of the 80s, 90s, and today, which according to those types of radio stations, stretches the last 1/4 of a century? All right, bacon's doing good. So let's get an egg down. No need to season. Well, maybe a little pepper. Okay, this egg is nearly to its final approach, so time to cheese it up. I have my muffin toasted. My bacon's ready. Come on, chef, let's do it. Fantastic. It's giving McMuffin's cooler older sibling who moved to New York City and actually looks like they belong there, you know? Layer it up. Clock's ticking. Come on, chef, let's stick the landing. All right, get that cheese pull. Nope, no cheese pull, but that's okay. Next time. We did it! We took down McDonald's. It is a speed run world record to get McMuffins done. We absolutely deserve one last sip of room temperature coffee. That's nice. Tastes like victory. All right, I'll see you in another video, chat. Ronald McDonderson. That's my neighbor. He works at Burger King.